What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing? I hope you had a wonderful year and you're looking forward to a prosperous 2025, even in your trading. So today I want to show you the strategy that you can use on this new synthetics broker. So we have a new synthetics broker that go by the name WELTRADE. So we want to show you, or I want to show you how you can trade on this broker and what they offer, what you are in for in the year 2025. So this is one of their indices. It's called SFX Volatility 60, but it's just written VOL, right? So this is the name of the index, and this is what you can do with your order block strategy. Just want to show you this simple example where we are going to find our order block on the H1, and we are going to be looking for an entry on the on the M5. So I just want to show you that and help you mark the other order blocks. And I want to stress this broker, or these indices that are found on this broker, do respect order blocks very much. So if you are someone who uses order blocks, you need to be trading with this particular broker, right? So, and you need to look in the description down below, find the link, register your account, fund the account, and test your strategies, and I can assure you it works. So we have this order block that you see here, very good entry point there. And if you are using market structure, you can clearly see that we have we have a turnaround at this particular point. And what do you have again? You have this again. So price is going up, price is going up. So I'll be giving you guys videos of when to do this, how to do this, and everything in between, right? So this is volatility 60. So let's just call it volatility 60, SFX volatility 60 on WELTRADE. This is what their indices look like on a real account. So let me just show you this example where price retested this order block right here and went into the order block. Right now, let's go to the M5 and clearly see how we were going to take advantage of this. So this is the trade that I'm talking about, right? This is the trade. So if you zoom in or zoom out, you clearly see that price got into the order block, and where we have our first sign of weakness is where this was taken out, where price took out that low or took out that order block right here. Then this is the break and the retest, and your stop loss was going above there. So if you were to enter at this particular point, what you are going to see is simple. You were going to put your stop loss at at this particular point, right? You're going to put your stop loss above here at this particular price, and your entry was going to be here, and you're going to be targeting all these, right? So this is a broker that you need to check out and that you need to use. You see, it's simple what they are doing, and you remember they have something that looks like a boom and crash, and they are calling it pain and gain. So if you go to the M1 here, you clearly see that this is how boom and crash moves, and this is how you need to be trading it. And if you go to the M5, you can clearly see and analyze what you need to analyze. So this is boom and crash, and the other ones are volatilities, right? So you need to choose what you trade, right? So if you trade boom and crash and you catch spikes, here is a way of actually doing that and catching all these spikes that you see on this particular one. And you go to gain, and this gain that we are talking about is more like the boom. The pain is the crash, and the boom is more like this one. And if you go to the 1 hour, you can clearly see that you can actually analyze using order blocks and be trading with that with very little manipulation in your trade. So let me just take you to the website that you will see after clicking the links that I'll put in the description down below, so that you can open your account. So if you click that link, you get to a page that looks like this, and you click on registration. After clicking on registration right here, this page will take you to a new page, to a form where you are going to fill in your details, get in, and after getting in, make sure to choose the synthetics account. So there's a real account for trading forex, CFDs, and things like that, and you need to make sure that you choose the synthetics account that you need to be using, right? And these are some of the deposits and withdrawal methods that are available on this particular broker. So this is Binance, which is crypto, right? Neteller, Skrill, all deposit methods that you may think of are here on WELTRADE, and you need to be able to fund your account and withdraw. So they promise 30 minutes to withdraw your funds, quick and reliable. So this is what you need to do. So after identifying what you want to trade, you go and trade. So this is what we want to be doing, right? And they are offering 100% deposit bonus. So after you get your account, after you fund your account, they're going to double your deposit and have 1 in 10,000 leverage compared to 1 in 1,000 on your usual brokers that you trade with, right? So this is what you're going to do, and I can't wait to trade with you on WELTRADE as you go into this new year. So guys, I will see you, and make sure to get your account, make sure to fund your account, and let's trade. The links in the description down below. I hope you like what this has to offer. Shocks out. Bye.